last week we learned how to find the mean or average of numbers. Let's just do a quick review before we start the new lesson for today. In order to find the mean or average, step 1, you need to add all your numbers. So here is my list of numbers. I've got them lined up over here. 15 plus 11 plus 7 plus 6 plus 3. To add them up, I'm going to add my ones column first. It comes to 22. I put my 2 down in my ones column, and I carry my 2 over to my tens column. Now I add my tens column. 2 plus 1 plus 1. That makes 4. My total for adding all the numbers is 42. I'm going to bring that number down here in order to help with step number 2. I'm going to divide by the number of numbers. I have to come up here to count how many numbers there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So I will divide 42 by 5. That equals 8.4. That is my mean, or my average, of all the numbers. Well, this week we're going to learn to find the mode and range of numbers. Let's begin. Mode. Mode is your number that occurs the most. If you look at this picture of these animals, I've counted them. We've got 2 cats, 2 dogs, 1 frog. It's hard to see down here, but there he is. We've got 2 birds, 1 rabbit, 1 guinea pig, and 3 fish. So which animal occurs the most? Fish. That's your mode. There's 3 as my mode for fish. Mode most. That's all you have to remember. For range, let's look over here. The difference between the lowest and highest number. Whenever you see difference in any kind of word problem, you're going to use subtraction. So if I look at the students in this picture and I list their ages, we've got one student age 13, another 15, 16, 18, and 19. In order to find the difference in their age range, I need to take the highest number of 19 and subtract the lowest number of their ages, which is 13. And then I subtract my ones column. 9 minus 3 gives me 6. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So the age range is 6 years. Again, another way that this might occur in a list of numbers, if you take a look here in finding the mode, or the number that occurs most, we've got 5, 8, 13, 15, and 17. There is no mode because there are no repeated numbers. Example number 2. 3, 5, 7, 13, 3, 7, 9, and 3. Well, I heard the number 7 repeated. Here's one number 7. If I follow along, oh, there's number 2, 7. They occur 2 times. If I look at my 3s, I've got 1 3, 2 3s, 3 3s. Well, 3 is more than 2. So the mode is 3. Let's take a look at the range. In this set of numbers, again, it's the difference between the lowest and highest values. Here's my list of numbers, 3, 4, 5, 5, and 6. All I really need is my lowest number and my highest number. Subtract them. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 3 is my range. Let's practice it together. Find the mode, the number that occurs most. If we look at the jerseys on the football team from Penn State University, what is the mode number when you look at those jerseys? Very good. It should be 8 as your answer. That was an easy one, right, guys? Let's practice the range together. This is the difference between the lowest and highest values. What I did is I found the numbers off the jerseys. Again, this is from the Green Bay Packers. I've got a 78 jersey, a 63, a 71, and a 12. I'm going to order my numbers. Okay, I'm going to grab the 2 because I know it's my lowest. I'm going to put that first. Then comes a 63 as I get a little bit higher, 71, and then my highest is a 78. Now, with all of these numbers, I want you to take the time right now to find the range. You're going to subtract your highest and your lowest numbers to find the range. Go ahead and do that now. All right, very good. You would have in the green box 78, the yellow box 12, and you would subtract those numbers. And your answer for the range would be 63.